Hello guys, today we're looking at an office chair by Hyken. Comes from Staples. It's a ventilated office chair. This one's in black. It also comes in red. They were on sale today. I don't know how long the sale lasts, but they were marked down pretty good compared to online. So this is the office chair I am replacing. It's a real comfortable chair. It's got this bonded leather. I started finding pieces of bonded leather on the carpet, and it's time for it to go. Cushion is nice. Padding is really nice. Chair is comfortable. It's really hot in Florida though. But all in all, it's been a nice office chair. But the time has come. This is the chair right here. It's ventilated. Something here in Florida you really need because it gets pretty hot sitting on a leather chair. Now this one has a headrest. I don't know if I'm going to leave the headrest on or not. It's a little bit adjustable, but it seems to be a little bit flimsy. Bolts on right here, so if you wanted to take it off, you could take it off. It's adjustable on this bracket here, tilts back, and it also has two adjustable screws underneath here that need to be tightened up a little bit. Has lumbar support down here, which has a couple notches it adjusts up and down, which I like that feature. Hits you right in the lower back, nice. All in all, it's a pretty comfortable seat. See the texture and the ventilation, really going to help out. Now, people that are 5'10" say this hits you right in the back of the neck, and I can verify that. Most of the time I'm not leaning back in the chair anyway, but this chair does have a reclining feature. If you wanted to lay back and take a nap, you could. Almost just like my recliner. All in all, it's a pretty nice package for the price. We'll have to see how it holds up. But there you have it, guys. This is a Hyken office chair. 23481 is the number, and it's in black. Thank you for watching.